on the clothing. Yeah, I like that. Move it. Come on, one car. I'm bored. Don, do you read me? Are you there?
No, Wade, I'm actually on a yacht in Barbados with Rihanna.
OMG. That's amazing. Please send pics.
No, Wade, I'm at the speed trap.
Already?
How did you get back so fast? Barbados is in the ocean.
Hang on, I think I got something.
Hey, buddy! Where's the fire? Got kids living around here.
Oh, it was kind of funny. Sorry.
What? Tom, we need you down on Main Street. There's been a violent gang shootout. Just kidding. Doug stole a bagel. But they do need it back.
Whoa, buddy! You almost got yourself killed out there. What are you, some kind of adrenaline junkie?
Must be rough being slow all the time.
Tell you what, today is your lucky day. Let's keep this our little secret, okay? You never saw me. I was never here. Oh no. And if I'm ever discovered, I'll follow Longclaw's instructions and use my rings to escape to a new planet. A nice, safe little world filled only with mushrooms. Gross, smelly mushrooms.
I hate mushrooms.
But let's not worry about all that. This is Green Hills, the greatest place on Earth. These are my people, and dare I say, I am their lovable space creature. So what if they don't know I exist? My favorite person is the Donut Lord. Protector of this town, and defender of all creatures, big and small.
Morning. Donald, Daisy, Daffy.
Donut Lord lives with Pretzel Lady. She is super nice to animals and strangely was born without bones. Ouch, ouch, ouch. There is one person in town who's actually onto me. He calls me the Blue Devil.
I almost caught him last night.
Say hello to Crazy Carl. We have fun together.
I know you're out there, and I know you're real.
No, I'm not. Movie night is my favorite. Please. Yes, Keanu! You are a national treasure when I find you.
Pop quiz, hotshot. There's a bomb on a bus.
Pop quiz, hotshot. Classic line. Basically, we're like a family, even though we haven't met yet. You don't think your prolonged isolation is making you a bit crazy, perhaps? Crazy? Me? No way, Doc. You got me all wrong. And despite all these so-called friends of yours, deep down, you are still rather lonely? Perhaps afraid you'll be alone forever?